came up with the concepts on some of our the way we were going to run things. We were going to run them a certain way. Well, we weren't able to do that. We had to come back and rethink the process because we're having some, like I said, it's never been done before. And so we had a few issues, but by adding a few heat exchangers and heat dumps and stuff like that, we were able to change things around and make them more efficient, even more so than what we thought we were going to be. Yeah. It's really neat because it can be custom designed to any dairy operation or any type of commercial business. You can really, it has a lot of functionality and adaptability to what you want to do with it.
We'll go next door here and then we'll come back over here.
So, to do that, we wanted to be able to take advantage of that heat and be able to use it in our airspace, or to be able to preheat the hot water before it goes into the solar tank system. So we wanted to take advantage of collecting that heat. That's the way we became a manager of energy, is because we're taking heat from the cows and we can transfer it from one point and move it and use it a different way back to make our airspace comfortable. So the heat pumps only know two things: that they're generating cold water, and the other side is it's rejecting the heat into another tank system. Wow. And so that we came up with a 300-gallon storage system for cold water, 300 gallons for hot water. That took away the need for dumping water down into my lagoon, because now I have the water captured. So all that water does is just recycle. It just goes through a loop. It's pumped up into a manifold system, and then when you want water, you open up a valve over here, and that water starts flowing, and it's either cold or hot water. Same thing with our air handlers. The same thing. They're on thermostatic control. So if they want to have, say, cold water, you set your thermostat down for, to make your airspace cooler in the barn. You can cool off that airspace if you want. If you want to heat the airspace, you just move your thermostat up. Now you're heating the airspace in the barn. So we just really tried to make it simplified in the way we made it work. The payback is basically on the whole project will be 6.5 years is what the payback will be. So, and basically the way we're doing it is by making our kilowatts more efficient that we actually use, by increasing the efficiency by using better equipment. And the other thing is by eliminating our propane use and going strictly to the electrical side, we're able to have a stable cost of a kilowatt versus having a fluctuating cost of a BTU. And so and by eliminating propane, we're eliminating the high cost of energy.